What's up, METHS? Today on this new segment called Cooking with Jay, we're going to be making cinnamon buns from scratch. I'm here with my special guest, my little sister,
Shania.
And now we're going to be teaching y'all how to make cinnamon buns from scratch at home for you and your families. The first step it takes to make cinnamon buns from scratch is to make and prep the yeast. And now we're going to show y'all the ingredients you need to make and prep the yeast.
So we have 3 tablespoons of butter and 3/4 cups of milk. Now we're going to put it into the microwave for 45 seconds. Now that the butter is melted and the milk is warm, we're going to add the 2 1/4 teaspoons of yeast. And now we're going to set it to the side and mix together the dry ingredients. 3/4 cups of flour and, 2 3/4 cups and 1/4 cup of sugar. And now we're going to add the yeast mixture. Now we're going to add 1 egg. And we're going to start the Now we're going to start the mixer and leave it until the dough forms. Now we have 6 tablespoons of butter and 2/3 cups of brown sugar and then 2 tablespoons of cinnamon. Now we're mixing the ingredients together. Now that we have the dough and the filling, we're going to prep the counter by putting flour all over it. Now that we have the dough in the middle of the counter, we're going to start rolling it out.
Now that we rolled out the flour, we got to put the cinnamon on top of the flour. Now that we put the cinnamon on top of the flour, now we're going to roll it up. Now we're going to cover it and let it sit for an hour before baking it. After you let the cinnamon buns sit for an hour, you preheat the oven to 375 degrees and let it cook for 20 minutes. Now we put 4 ounces of cream cheese, 2 tablespoons of butter, 2/3 cups of powdered sugar, and 1 tablespoon of vanilla flavor. As y'all can see, these are the final results for the cinnamon buns. It was fast and easy to make. If y'all have any recommendations or anything y'all want us to make on the next coming news next month in January, just let me know and I'll make it happen at Justin Anthony on Instagram. And thanks y'all for tuning in. Thank you. Back to the studio.